complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow against the surge in killings, random arrests and other human rights violations by Indian troops. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference leadership. While denouncing the killing of 11 innocent youth in a week time, the leadership said the Indian forces personnel are engaged in systematic genocide of the Kashmiris. Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Salvation Movement Altaf Ahmed Butt, Vice Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Hurriyat Front Hakim Abdul Rashid, and Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir People's Political Party Engineer Hilal Ahmed Wah, in their statements while extending their party's full support to APHC's call for a strike tomorrow, said that fake encounters aimed at to suppress the voice of Kashmiri people against illegal and brutal Indian occupation has become a daily routine in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They reiterated the pledge that Kashmiris, against all odds, will continue their struggle to accomplish the mission of martyrs. Meanwhile, a big rally under the aegis of Sada-e-Hurriyet was held in Muzaffarabad, Azad Jammu and Kashmir today against the Indian oppression and massacre of Kashmiri youth by Indian troops in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Marching towards the press club and raising anti-India and pro-freedom slogans, the marchers, led by Uzair Ahmed Ghazali, urged the United Nations and international human rights organizations to intervene immediately and save humanity for being trampled by Indian state terrorism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Indian police, during house raids, arrested as many as 15 youth for participating in anti-India demonstrations over the killing of 3 youth by Indian troops in Naugam area of Srinagar yesterday. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, has invited the illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Sada-e Butt to attend the 48th session of the Council of Foreign Ministers being held in Islamabad on 22 to 23 March 2022. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement in Srinagar today said Sada-e Butt has received the invitation through a letter from the OIC Secretary General Hussein Brahim Taha. He, however, said the APHC chairman would not be able to attend the meeting as he remains imprisoned in New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail. The APHC hoped that the Muslim bloc would continue to work towards final resolution of the lingering Kashmir dispute. A representative body of Kashmiri students, in a statement in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India, expressed apprehensions that the provoking video clips emerging from different theatres screening the controversial movie The Kashmir Files could incite Hindutva terrorists to launch physical assaults on them in different parts of India. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav, speaking to the reporters in Sitapur, said that if the propaganda film The Kashmir Files can be made on Kashmir, then why Lakhimpur Files cannot be made on the Lakhimpur massacre in the state? He referred to the overrunning of a group of protesting farmers by the vehicle of Indian minister in October last year. Meanwhile, the strike call given by various Muslim organizations against the Karnataka High Court's verdict on hijab has received overwhelming response in the state. All Muslim-dominated areas, including Dakshina and Kannada districts, remained closed today.